Silikali ya Kaundi ya Masaku Ungu Utongoi wa Ngavana Muwandu Wavinya Ndeti Umunthi Niwatongoesya Kwikiwa Ngovia kwa Amanyiw'a Mbee wa Ungu wa Machakos Youth Empowerment Program ilani MYS Kyathi Kyatwaiiwa Whitehouse Masaku Amanyiw'a Mbee wa ni mo manakwate ivuso ya kukwata Mauvundisyo na Muwandu nthini wa mautwika mekivathukanyo Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti weta utongoi wake kana utongoi wake wikithitoni cha kwikithia ni maiyo Amuika Mbee maundu ni maendeleo kwisila kumokelia Meshak David nokuelesya.
Amuika Ungu wa walanio wa Amuika Kauntini ya Masaku ula uvatisi tweta Machakos Youth Service kana MYS yumathaimo ni maliuka itina wa kukwata Mauvundisyo makumanenga utwika utonya kumanenga wia na vala kwi Umunthi mavikia kunewa mavalua nthini wa Kyathi kinene Kila Kyatwaiiwa maovisini ma Ngavana wa Masaku Whitehouse Kauntini ya Masaku ainena Kyathini ki Ngavana wa Kaundi ya Masaku Muwandu Wavinya Ndeti ni waelesya utani wake ni kuona Amuika mami na Mauvundisyo na kwithiwa mena utwika maunduni mekivathukanyo na ingi kuyanisya watho wake wa kukilia Amuika.
Our much awaited day is finally here. A day full of joy, pride and fulfillment. History in the making for our young men and women who have dared to dream and face the modern day challenges with skill, courage and discipline. We gather here not only to celebrate your success, but also to witness the realization of a great vision. Today, that vision stands before us, alive and strong in you, the youth of Machakos County. Hii ilikuwa manifesto yetu kuhakikisha tumeangalia vijana, lazima tuangalie vijana wetu na tuwasaidie.
Amuika hangilie mwema umete nthini wa wadi miongo ina sia Kaundi ya Masaku na vala manakwatie Mauvundisyo kuma imanyisyo ni kivathukanyo sia kiuvundi mevo Mauvundisyo mawe ya wasiuma uya wa stima kutuma ngua kuua kwikia kiwu uya wa mbwau uya wa kuseuvya nzui na wa uvangithia wa siathi kana event management na vala katiwo Amanyiw'a maana kenda miongo thanthatu na muonza manekie mutiani wa Silikali wa NITA.
My government ensured that every trainee sat for NITA examination, fully sponsored by the county government of Machakos because we believe in equal opportunity for all. Today, I am proud to announce that out of 1,000 trainees, 967 passed their examination.
Amuika ni makwata mavalua na alama tana veta mutiani Gavana Wavinya nwawetakana nukumatetheesya meke mutiani usu ingi nikana kuyanisya chalo cho cha Kwikiwa vinya na vala ingi Amuika makwata sindu sya kuambisya mawia mo.
To the 33 who did not pass, do not give up, and I cannot give up on you. This is not the end. It is just the beginning of another attempt. You will resit the examination. Wale wajapita munarudi shule January. My vision has also been clear: to equip our young people with the knowledge, skills and values they need to succeed through working with dignity and shaping their destinies.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Whitehouse Steve Kalonzo Musyoka ulaye mweni munene Kyathini ki ni wakathia walanyo huu wa kwikia Amuika vinya na walanyo musyo wa undu Silikali sia mitiuko itonya kuwete waliuku mathayu ni maene nthi na isioni sia nduani.
The power of devolution lies in its ability to bring government, opportunity and hope closer to the people. Imagine if Governor Wavinya is operating within the 15%, by the way, is shared between the 47 counties. And the little that she gets, she's able to empower the youth that she's trying to do today. Imagine if we went up to national government, wapate 60%, na counties wapate 40%. In fact, in my view, we should make it 50-50, because all the stealing that is happening in Nairobi is because they have a lot of money to throw away.
itina wa Amuika ngili umwe kwithwa mami na masomo yu silikali ya Masaku ivaniwe kosa Amuika ngili umwe na maana 5 kuma kauna sionzesi ya Masaku mwini wa Mbee mwaka ni twendete wa ngili miongoni na thanzatu no kana kuendeya kutethesya Amuika vilingi wa Mauvundisyo Utongoi TV Niwatongoesya David.